Hey gang, how you going? SkyPilot here. The package on the wheel is spinning. It must mean there's an unboxing to do. What do we have in the parcel today, guys? Well, soon find out. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No. Ah, looks like an Eachine. A new Twig by Eachine, I believe. In addition to their 3S brushless FPV range. Nice little carry case. Little strap. Pair of zips. Ah, there she is. Eachine Twig. Complete with some instructions for your Betaflight FPV cam. Will come in handy very shortly. 4 propellers, screwdriver, Allen key, some sticky spongy stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, couple of nuts, rubber spacers. What I do like about this straight away, the pre-cut foam allows for the props to stay on and the unit to close down for easy transportation. That's really cool. Without a battery, the Twig weighs in at exactly 60 grams. Eachine KV5200 motors. You can get this with a couple of different camera variants, so you can either go with the Runcam Nano2, which is what I have here, or the CADDX Baby Turtle HD version. And even cheaper with the code that you'll see down below, guys, and they could even be on special still, so you can pick this one up for about 120 Australian bucks at the moment. Out of the frame, strong but slightly flexible. The housing, she looks pretty tough. Looks pretty tough, and to protect that camera inside, so that's really cool. Double-sided Velcro battery strap is super duper huge, so that will need to be cut down. Easy access to your micro USB. I'm running the Frsky version here, which sports the Crazybee F4FR Pro version 3 firmware. Standard 40 channel VTX, smart audio ready as well. So these props I mentioned before, they're quite wide. They're actually the Gemfan 302.5 3-inch props, so it's really interesting to see how they perform in the air and how loud they are. Well, I've got a feeling this is going to be quite a smooth, quiet little Twig. The VTX switchable button is quite accessible too, so there's no need to take the roof off. So what I'll do now is I'll just hook it up to Betaflight so I can get it powered up. Looks really cool. And a quick visual comparison of the Twig compared to my Lava X. Roughly the same size. Just check out the description for... Again guys, obviously like all my videos, link below where you get this from and all the specs and details and all you need to know about it. And you should have popping up on the screen here some past videos of things like the Lava X and a few other cool things that I've been playing around with. Betaflight, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do so that you can bind the Twig is to go to your configuration tab. Make sure this is all default, but look, if I haven't touched anything here, you got your D-Shot 600. I might just stop on Quad X in that configuration. 8K, 8K, Twig 115. Spear RX support, very good. Frsky. Okay, so down to our CLI now. Type in our command. Bind underscore RX underscore SPI. We'll see our bind here. Let's go to the Tyrannus. Go down to our bind area on our transmitter. Let it beep for a few seconds. We'll go disconnect. And we should have telemetry lost and telemetry recovered, so we are now bound. So we'll connect it up again. Let's just go to our receiver now. Make sure our throttle and everything is as it should be. And I shall just make sure our modes are good. So we're going to have armed up here. Excellent. And angle. Perfect. And of course I'm going to permanently enable air mode. Very important, guys. Stops you from crashing and burning. Okay, we've got the monitor recordings. I will just put the RD200 just down here with the extended antenna. As always, records better when it's away from the transmitter. Okay, air mode on, fly to the twig. Let's go. And as I thought, nice and quiet. Yeah, she's a nice, quiet little flyer. I'm going to have to play with the we're going to have to play with the sticks a bit, because as you can see, she's going the wrong way. Okay, just going to do a quick punch up here. You guys can have a quick look at it and have a quick listen to it. Whoa, okay. Yeah, alright. Those Eachine motors sound pretty decent on this actually, I must admit. I'm not doing too much here, this is going to blow away because it is quite windy. But it looks like a fun little unit. I quite like the sound of it, it sounds quite robust. Quick punch up. Watch the birds. Yeah, she hoots along really well, guys. That's good. Nice. Okay. Hope the wind stops blowing so I can get it up in the air properly. So yeah, thumbs up guys, drop us a comment, got any questions about this unit, but I'll give it a thumbs up. Looks pretty cool. Fairly well built, fairly robust, love the hood on it, and it's a really good price too. I can't wait to do some FPVing. That's going to be my next video. Smash that bell and wait for it to drop down. Awesome, see you in the sky. SkyPilot. Catch you later.